Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we learn how to create a storage location in a SAP ME. Okay, so let's go to the server type SPRO, reference IMG, enterprise structure, definition, material management. There is option storage location. So here we need to enter our plant. जो हमने plant बनाया था वो यहाँ पर enter करना होगा. Okay, so my one is ZA03. Click on right button, new entry. So here we need to enter same. तो हम यहाँ पे एंटर करेंगे अपना ZM01. डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल देंगे राम SL01. ओके, सेकंड वन इज ZM02. डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल देंगे राम SL02. द थर्ड वन इज राम 03 ZM03 and the description was RAM SL03 and enter. And save the data. Here we create our storage location in material management. Okay, I hope this video will help you. So see you in the next video. Goodbye.